In some cases, damage to your home might force you to temporarily move out while it's being repaired or rebuilt, resulting in costly additional living expenses. That's why it's vital to be prepared for such a scenario with loss of use coverage. Loss of use coverage is the portion of your homeowner's insurance policy that can provide reimbursement for additional living costs that you might incur if you have to temporarily move out of your home due to damage caused by a covered event. Here are the 3 main things you should know about loss of use coverage. In the event that you have to move out of your home while it's being repaired or rebuilt, this coverage can help pay for temporary living expenses, including hotel or rental home costs, moving fees, and transportation expenses. Covered events typically include fires, windstorms, lightning, hail, explosions, and vandalism. This coverage only applies to the added price difference of temporary living costs when compared to your standard living expenses. It does not cover your total cost of living. Most policies waive deductibles for loss of use claims. However, this coverage is subject to a limit, which is the maximum amount your policy will pay for a covered claim. Loss of use coverage limits typically equate to up to 20% of your dwelling coverage limit. Keep in mind that you will need to save all receipts and bank statements while you are temporarily moved out of your home to ensure adequate compensation for the additional living expenses you incur. For more homeowners insurance guidance, contact us today.